Hi everybody, today's 82 and it is nature and or flowers, so nature, flowers, anything in that realm. I have been of course collecting my bits of signature which are all nature themed, and I've got a variety of them. No, I don't want to put that one in, that's a different book altogether. Put that over there. So I've got quite a few things, slowly building them up. Some of Nick's beautiful, Nick the Booksmith's beautiful printouts, her gardening thingies, butterflies. Okay, so I've got a bit of a pile happening and I'm happy about that. I'm still not 100% sure whether today I'm going to get any of them bound into anything, but look at I'm noticing they're different sizes, so there's a few things I've got to do to neaten them up. I got some coloured card in the post. I was ordering actually just the buff colour, but they sent me these even though I sent them a message. So I've got I thought, you know what, it's not terribly thick, so it's about 125 GSM, but it's a really good, I love it for pages to collage on because it's just not as thin as, you know, photocopy paper. Just got a bit of, so I've got a bit of the tea dyed paper that I did the other day I thought I'd use, so there's that as well. See how I can just collect up bundles, and I really actually thought out of the kit I've just uploaded that I would really like to probably use this green in something. So that's going to go there. First off, I've got to use a bit of this. And this just shows you what you can actually do with your, you know, with your anything you make. Scan it in, reuse it. You might just get some other bits of paper ready as well. Last night I just got another bit of this tissue paper kind of ready. This was just sprayed with a bit of tea dye, and okay, I sprayed a bit with the walnut stain, and I used the tub that I used before. So I hope everyone is doing well, having nice times wherever you are in the world. Of course, I'm on day 7, 6, I don't even know. Okay, I don't know what day of lockdown I'm in now. Who knows? It just goes on and on, doesn't it? Either way, my postcode was locked down for maybe a week or so, just under a week before then the rest of the state, the rest of Victoria was locked down. Oh, actually no, I just heard that it's just actually inner Melbourne mainly. And you know, the people complain because people just go, oh well, if I either have to work from home or I can't work, I'll go out to my country residence or I'll go out and stay, you know, in the country. And I think people get really mad and upset about that, but I just think, well, in the bigger scheme of things, I like that people are learning how to be a bit more self-sufficient. Like my bread, I said yesterday, I'm making bread. It hasn't quite finished rising yet. So I maybe won't get a picture of it. But I think it's nice. I love it. It's like, I don't eat a lot of bread, but I don't know about anyone else. I'm actually happy. I'm doing things I love. I don't think that's how I had it. I can't remember how I had it. That will do. Yeah, I'm doing things I love. Don't make bread usually, but giving it a go. Got back finally yesterday, got back into my yoga and meditating routine that kind of flew right out the window when when Lily was here. Back to that now, so I'm feeling pretty damn happy, I must say. I've got to learn to rip this properly because that's what's happening. This particular paper is kind of, the back's tearing off it. Interesting. Some of these little button stamps. What do buttons have to do with nature? Nothing. Can't justify putting it here, but I'm putting it here anyway. I'll tell you. Oh, I can work it out. We can always find a way to make sense of something. So the reason that the buttons are on here, because I'm just making it up, is because it reminds me of cardigans and nature. Sometimes you need to be warm and have a cardigan on. How's that? Does that work? Just have a look in my little nature folder. I feel like putting in an animal or a flower or something. There's a frog. Oh, there's a cute little frog. Maybe we should put a cute little frog. What else is in here? I've got a dodo. We've got butterflies. I think that's going to have to be a What's in My Tub episode coming up soon, because that is just chock-a-block full. Now, is he cut down enough? Yes, he is. Okay, so one bit of a signature. It's got some dotted lines on the inside. Put this in. This little dodo. Would be a nice little writing card. Okay, there's a little tuck spot for Mr. Dodo. So this is the finished little collage with a little tuck, and I have cut down the edges off camera, and I actually am I'm going to put them into some sort of a look. This is really nice. I might even think that that's the cover. That's from Artie Maze's kit, which is really lovely. Two bits of material in these, and then actually we've got our signatures ready to go in that order. It's day 82. I think I finally finished the signatures for my nature book at long last. Okay, I hope you have a good day. Bye for now.